I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by softening adhesive. Aim the hair drier at the sticker edge for about 20–30 seconds until it feels warm. You then peel gently with a plastic scraper or fingernail. The heat breaks the bond so the label lifts rather than tears. If paper rips, reapply heat and lift from a different edge. Once most of the label is off, make sure to keep residues visible so you can remove them fully in the next step. Now focus on the sticky residue. You apply rubbing alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover, letting it soak for 30–60 seconds so the solvent penetrates the glue. You then rub with a microfiber cloth in circular motions while using the plastic scraper to lift softened bits. For painted or delicate surfaces, dilute the solvent or substitute vegetable oil and test in a hidden spot. Once the residue dissolves, wipe clean and repeat as needed until the surface feels smooth. Finish by washing the area with mild soap and water to remove solvent traces and dry thoroughly. This prevents streaks and lingering odor. You may apply a light wax or sealant to painted or metal surfaces to restore luster and protect the finish. If adhesive stains or discoloration remain, try repeating heat plus solvent or switch solvents cautiously. If damage appears or you're unsure, make sure to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.